says, is it authentic to soak Maryam flower in water during childbirth labor pain of women? It is available in the marketplace near Mount Uhud in Medina. It is believed by most people in Bangladesh that during labor pain, if Maryam flower is soaked in water, it helps in delivery and reduces pain. Now, there is a difference between Maryam flower and the palm or the fist of Maryam. And to tell you the truth, I had no knowledge in all of this. I had to look into it. Maryam flower is a type of flower that people think that when they soak it in water and a woman who is in labor, suffering from pains, once the flower opens, that she will be relieved of her pains. And this is without any doubt bogus. This has nothing to do with Islam or not even with medicine. It is something totally fabricated. And probably it is something like these pills that they take. I think they call it a placebo or something like that. It has nothing to do with reality. And it does not take your pains away. And believing in it might take you to minor shirk. Yes, you believe that Allah is the one who cures you and relieves you from your pain, but when you think that something that Allah did not place or tell us about that helps in doing this, this is minor shirk. There is what is known as Kaff Maryam, the palm of Maryam, or the fist of Maryam. And they say that it looks like a clenched fist. And they say that this is something that is a herb or a plant that is boiled and you can drink the water of it once only. And some physicians say that this does relieve the pains and escalates the delivery, and this is helpful. So it's not my word you should take. You should consult a specialist in this, and if they say that this is okay, then you may take it, inshallah. But to believe that the flower of Maryam, that once it opens after being soaked in water, would relieve a pregnant woman from her pains, this is totally not true.